Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So let me show you what is the meaning of the yellow rhombus icon which might appear when you are running manually importing rules in my plugins. So let me show you this in Newsomatic. So I already set up here an importing rule, so let's run it. So the Newsomatic plugin will import new content to our website. And it is already imported. It has already imported 2 new posts. Now let's try to run this again, and now instead of importing other 2 posts, the plugin will generate this rhombus icon, which means that no new content was imported. So how to fix this and what does this really mean? So how the plugin works is that it usually queries Newsomatic API for content, and it returns 2 posts which it publishes to your WordPress website. And the next time it will run, if you haven't configured it to make pagination for queries, pagination meaning so the plugin should ask for next set of post results. If you haven't configured the plugin to do this, then it will query the same 2 posts each time the importing runs. So it posts the 2 posts, the next time it runs it posts the same 2 posts, but the plugin will not publish them because it will check first if they are already posted, and if they are, they will skip the posts. And in this case the yellow diamond might appear because no content was imported. However, if new content was published to the API, then the plugin will extract the new content first and it will continue to publish. So this is the use case when the plugin generates this yellow diamond. There are also other use cases. I will detail them in a minute, but now let me show you how to fix this use case. So if you're getting the yellow diamond each time you run the rule after it already generated posts, you have to go to settings and be sure to check the remember last posted item and continue search from it checkbox. So if you check this and save settings, you will see that you will be able to rerun settings and you will get the yellow diamond once more. After this, if you run the plugin once more afterwards, you will not get the yellow diamond, but other 2 posts will be published. And if you run it again, the yellow diamond will appear again. And if you run it once more after the yellow diamond, the post will be published again. So this is how the remember last posted item and continue search from it works. Is that the plugin queries the API and it gets 2 posts. It publishes these 2 posts, and next time the plugin queries the API, it will not publish any new content because the content it gets is already published. And in this case it will remember this and it will set a flag that, look, next time I run I will get another set of posts that match these query words. And this is why if you set the remember last posted item and continue search word for it, the plugin will use the pagination and import a new set of posts each 2 runs. So the first time it imports posts, the second time it checks for new content, and in case it does not import any new content, it sets the flag and remembers it, and the next time it runs it will import another set, a full set of posts. So if you have here 10 or 100 even, the plugin will generate 100 posts. Next time it runs it will generate nothing because all the posts are published, and the 4th time it runs it will generate another 100 posts. So this is how Newsomatic works with the remember last posted item and continue search from it. However, remember, if you want to get the latest news each time the plugin runs, you have to uncheck this, because if you uncheck it, the plugin will check only the latest news, and it will import news as as fast as they are becoming available in the API. So this is not just for Newsomatic, this is also for the Echo RSS plugin, for the Facebook plugin, for YouTubeomatic, for Tweetomatic, and many other plugins that I created. So all function in this way. If you check this checkbox, they will continue to import posts as they run in the future. And if you uncheck this, they will try to get only latest content. And if no new latest content is available, they will not publish this content anymore. Okay, so let me go now to the second use case, second scenario that might happen when you don't get published posts. So let me delete posts. So this time when the plugin runs, there should be shortly imported posts, because on my website there are no posts imported by the plugin and no duplicates should be found. However, if we go to the plugin's main settings and we search for posting restrictions, we will find these settings. Here we will be able to set minimum title word count, maximum title word count, minimum content word count, maximum content word count, banned word list, required word list, and many other features like this. And this will prevent posts from being published if they don't meet these restrictions. So if my post does not have a minimum of 2 words and a maximum of 50 words, it will not be published. And if you set here settings that are too restrictive, or if posts were not found that are matching your restrictions that you set here, then nothing will be posted. And in this case, once again, the yellow diamond will appear. So let me show you this in action. So let us set here the minimum title word count to 180 and the maximum to 200. So no title on earth will match these restrictions. So the title word count should not be this high in any title. So because of this, let us run importing in the plugin, and it will return a yellow diamond, as we can see, because the restrictions which we set here were not met. So this would be also the case if we would have set required word list something like meteorite, or something that we are sure that are not is not appearing in our imported posts. So if you want to check why content was not imported, you should go and search for this settings field, enable detailed logging for rules. So this should be checked, and if this is checked, you can go to activity and logging menu of the plugin, scroll down, and you will see why exactly the posting was not published. Skipping post because title length is smaller than 180. And there the plugin will tell you why exactly no new posts were published on your site. So yeah, these are the scenarios when content will not be imported on your site. Everything is imported, so no new content is available for your API or from feeds or from Facebook, YouTube, or anything else which plugin you are using. Or you did not check the remember last posted item and continue search for it to enable the pagination of results, or you set in the main settings of the plugin some restrictions that are too narrow, and because of this, content is not managing to be published. So please check also this part of the settings. And also some plugins that you might use also have these restrictions in here in importing rule settings. So Newsomatic will not have these, but other plugins might have these. If you are using, for example, Echo RSS, you might find these restrictions also in here. And yeah, if nothing helps, you should enable detailed logging in rule settings. From here, enable detailed logging for rules, in the main settings of the plugin, check it and run importing again, and check the activity and logging section of the plugin for logs, and there info should be returned why exactly no content was imported to your site. So this is how you should interpret the yellow diamond icon, and I really hope this video helped, and thank you for staying until the end. And don't forget to subscribe because I release a new video each day at 7 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.